Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to schedule Pinterest pins with Canva. So to do this, you're going to need a Canva Pro account, which is paid, but it's only like 13, 14 quid a month. And there's so much you can do with Canva, so it's well worth it, in my opinion. So when you're on your Canva account, you're going to create your pin. So you can see I've created mine here. I'm going to give my pin a title. So I'm going to use the keyword, so non-phone work from home jobs. When I've added in my title, I'm going to click on the Share tab. I'm going to scroll down, click on the three dots, then go down a little bit further to the Social section. Click on See All. Then I'm going to click on Pinterest. So my Canva account is already linked to my Pinterest account, but if yours isn't, just click link and follow the instructions, and it takes a few seconds. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose what board I want to put this pin in. So it's about jobs. So I'm going to click on work from home opportunities. Then I'm going to write the title in. So 21 non-phone work from home jobs. Then I'm going to add in a description. So I'm just going to write something really quick just for this tutorial, work from home jobs. But usually you'd write a little bit more and you want to add a few extra keywords in there. And then it's going to ask me which pages. So obviously I just want this pin. So I'm not going to do all pages, just current page, because otherwise you're going to link loads of pins, which is what you don't want. Then you've got to add in the destination website. So I'm going to get the link of my article. I'm going to copy that, go back over, click on the destination website, and you can schedule for a later date or you can click on publish now. So I'm going to click on publish now, and that will publish my Canva pin to Pinterest. It's as easy as that. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.